Hello, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to follow Michael, Steban, and Frank as they get ready to go on a small camping trip to the English countryside. As the boys get ready, we will learn about the use of positive, negative, and questions with the verbs have and has, as well as the use of the preposition in. Let's watch. I wonder why Steban is taking so long.
I'm sure he'll be down in a minute.
Do you have everything you need?
Yeah, I think so. And you?
Yeah, pretty sure I do.
Let me call him again. Steban! We're ready! We have